All right, boys and girls. There we are. Good morning. It is Tuesday, April 7th. We are just about 4 minutes before market open, getting a little later start this morning, but um, started off this morning by requesting a payout. So that's awesome. This will be the third payout in as many weeks. Three payouts in a row now. Um, with with my funded account in Alpha Futures. Um, we very excited about that. The fact that we're able to consistently now um, pull out an actual income, not just successful trades, but now pull out an actual income from it. I was able to take the max request on this one of $1,500, $1,500. Um, Now, of course, according to their rules, it's a 90-10 split on all profits that you withdraw. So I'm actually going to receive $1,350 as a direct deposit to my account that I have on file with them as an ACH. But of course, they have other withdrawal options as well. For me, the ACH is the easiest. Um, in any event, that's a very exciting day. So that's good. I will not be trading that account today because I want everything to stabilize for the payout. I do have two other accounts, three actually, that I'll be trading on. All of them are eval accounts. There's, of course, the evals I've been working on now for about a week that I'm looking to get qualified so I can add those to my already qualified funded account, and then be trading three at a time for hopefully larger payouts and profits. And then of course there is a fourth one, or the third one for today is also an eval account. This one is with um, a different prop firm altogether, and one that strangely enough I was able to see I got an email from them saying, "Hey, this account is ready and active," and just some kind of prompting reminder. And I was like, "Oh, wow, I had forgotten I had this eval account all along." So I started trading that one yesterday, and made some profit on that. So there'll be some rules to follow on that one as well. So that's actually the prop account right here that I have now. You'll see here as I pull this up. I'm already $740 into a $3,000 eval challenge on that. That one will take 5 days for the eval to occur. You have to have um, a 5 day trade time um, minimum. So can take my time on that one. The eval's down here on on this one. Um, oh, this is going to be interesting. All right, I'm actually in a different account here. Okay. All right. Well, we got 30 seconds to trading. So what I'm going to do actually is pull in. Let me switch to 5 minute on these. I did not get these things ready in time. And so now we're going to be dealing with market open. Excuse me. Sucker's shooting right up, isn't it?
Order filled.
Okay, I'm going to take a buy on that, which is not smart because that's dropping like crazy now. Might be giving back all my profits on that. Popped right up and I got in too quick on that, I think. Yeah, I can tell right now that's going to go south instead. Shit. That was a bad trade. I'm thinking I might want to get out of that one. Okay, I got in way too high on that one. That might be a problem. Yeah, I've got to get out of this. This is not looking good.
Order filled.
All right, that was a big loss. Stupid trade. I should have just paid attention to my thing, but that's all right. I'll take a smart trade on that and we'll do better. Impulse trades are the worst. Hell, for all I know, this is probably going to pop right back up now. It's part of a sweep. If I had to guess, I'd say the liquidity sweep is actually going to be down here at London.
Order filled.
Let me do that. Okay, let's get everything marked off. London has had the biggest range of everything that traded. Interesting on that. Does that really swept the range on everything else? Everything except New York over here, huh? Okay, I'm seeing an SMT divergence on a 5 minute. That looks like a bearish SMT. So as long as this thing gives me the room to work, I'm going to hang on to this. I'm actually going to be looking for London lows here.
Order filled.
Nope. Shit. All right. Well, sad thing on that. I think I hit more than. Yeah. Shit. Ay, ay, ay. All right. Well, that was nice. All right. Um, that was totally foolish. Blew that account. So now what we are going to do is log out of that. Okay. So bad, 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 stupid trading. I don't know why I do this, guys. I get a payout and then literally the day I take a payout, I end up blowing an account. I've literally done that 3 times in a row now. Hmm. That that is not a smart. Not a smart thing. Okay, so what I need to do here is log out. I don't even know how to do that here. How the fuck do I log out? There it is. Okay. All right, now I'm logged back in with my other evals. It's kind of a bummer. I would have liked to have traded that other account. I got foolish. I got foolish, folks. Got to get my headset. Got to get my headset right. Well, ended up dealing with the whipsaw. All right, we have a break of structure to the downside here. So I'm going to switch to the 1 minute on this one. Look for a confirmation. There that is. So I'm going to take a sell.
Order filled.
I'm actually going to go double down on that.
Order filled.
Oh, shoot. I took it on the wrong one.
Order filled.
This is where I wanted to take it.
Order filled.
All right, now I have got stuff everywhere. What's going on here? This isn't right.
Order filled.
Shoot. And there it goes. And now it goes. All right. Balloon account took max loss. This is frustrating, guys. What is it about taking payout days that I keep blowing? Maybe I shouldn't trade at all on payout days. Trade nothing. Well, I'm not going to renew the Trade Evade account. I'm going to keep with the alpha accounts. But that's just frustrating, guys. All right, I'm going to trade paper. Got an equilibrium play there, so we'll see. If we get this to break equilibrium, I'm trading paper now, so none of this matters. I mean, it does because, you know, okay. So just right here. Do my take profit right there. Do my stop loss right there. About a 1-to-1. See, I think that's a good trade right there. Now I get a good trade, but I don't have the capital to trade. We'll let this one ride out so you guys have some content to go on and that I can actually learn from my BS. Who knows? This might turn around on me. I really came in today thinking that I was going to keep my streak going, but weird that you can feel like a total winner and then an absolute loser in the same day. But that's trading, guys. That's what it is. There we go. Part of it anyway. Geez, some primers. How do you get a hair tie in such a mess? And this, boys and girls, is why you need to remain patient. I just sit here and try to detangle a knot out of my hair tie while we watch the price action do what it does. Might come close and pop right back up. Look at that. I've seen that happen a lot where you get the fake out. There we go. Got the tangle out. So here we are, not even 7 o'clock in the morning, and I've blown one eval account. I've hit max daily loss on the other two, which now set me back to basically starting from zero again. Um, and I took a payout. So gotta get my head in the game better. And here I am now taking a smarter trade that looks like it's going to play out where I need it to, or where I want it to, or where I predict it to, or whatever terms you want to use on it. Yeah, that's an absolute bummer. Where you've predicted the price action properly, you just entered badly. That's, like I said, third time in a row I've done it on a payout day. 3 payouts, 3 blown accounts, and max loss. I mean, okay, looks like we might be getting a reversal here, and if we do, I'm going to go ahead and exit this just to play my Okay. Made something on it instead of getting stopped out, so that was a smart move. If we break structure here, then this is probably going to be a good buy opportunity. See what this looks like on the 5 minute. Oh yeah, absolutely. This is a buy. Is it going to let me take? Nope, not going to let me take 5. Okay. Okay. I'm going to put the stop right here. I'm going to put the take profit right here. If I go back to the 1 minute, see, this is that classic V that I keep mentioning over and over and over again. Comes down, doesn't quite make that. Now, it might make it and then go back up. We'll see. That's why I put the stop here. But we actually broke structure to the upside on the 1 minute. Um, so right now, let's take this and move this to our new equilibrium point, which would be right here and right there. So right now we seem to be moving up past equilibrium. Okay, so I'm just going to get rid of that. This is usually what happens. We're going to get a snap right back up. You got to act quickly on those things. I'm going to move my take profit to break even. Five-minute here is going to look the same way. Yeah, it is. Okay. Just full disclosure, this is all paper trading, guys. I'm just going to let it play. Actually, you know what? I'm going to do this. And if it's a break even, I'll still get in. I'll just take another trade. Now we have what looks like an equilibrium play on the 5 minute. Okay. I'm going to take a buy on this. I'll wait for it to dip a little more. I'm going to hedge and take a sell here. With my TP being at London. So this will be a small one. And then I will buy back on that. Yeah, let's play the game here. Yeah, this is definitely an SMT. Okay, I'm going to close out of that one and take some profit. And then on this, I'm going to buy, how many am I in? Two? Okay. I need it to drop a little bit more. Doesn't look like it's going to. Come on. Got to drop a little bit more. Maybe Nasdaq gets to London lows is what it is. If Nasdaq hits London, then I'm going to buy some more on S&P. It's going to be an interesting strategy, but let's see if we got an indicator on the 1 minute. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Excuse me. There we go. All right, so that hit London lows. There we go. Now we're going to buy. Come back up. Is it not letting me? What's going on here? Oh, there we go. Whoa. Okay. I'm going to give it a little room, and I'm going to take a 2-to-1 there on that one. A lot of buyers there. There, it pushes down now. Okay. So now that it pushed down through, is it going to hit my stop? Are we going to keep pushing down, or are we going to make our move back up? That's the risk. Did I put the stop in the right place? Just low enough not to get stopped out on the liquidity sweep, because I did get in the bad place. I thought the uptrend was going to go sooner, and it did go up, but I didn't take profit here when I got in. I wanted the play to be a lot higher, and it just sank on me again. So, um, very well could do it again here. I mean, it's been pushing, 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 but this bottom tail on this, I mean, we'll see. I'll probably stopped out. Yep, there we go. Stopped out. All right. So, oh, this thing's really tanking. All right. Today was just a day I was not right about anything. Um, so yeah. Um, Took profit today on an account that I traded successfully from last week up through yesterday. Did not trade that account today, thank God, because I'm really bad today. Um, let's see, blew an eval account, and then proceeded to max daily loss on the other two eval accounts. Thankfully, that saved me from myself, and I didn't blow those accounts because I probably would have. And then went ahead to try to paper trade, and just everything went against my instincts on that as well. So, bottom line is, this is not a day that I should have been trading. Um, just bad, bad mental and emotional decisions all around. I did make a good assessment saying that this is going to head to London lows. It does look like we've got the liquidity sweep. It's starting to come back now, but it looks like it was based on this liquidity area here. We could keep heading down for all I know. So yeah, the shorts were definitely in the right place today. And had I been able to hang on to my short, probably would have worked out where I needed it to for additional profit. But that's not where my particular trading style is, and my strategy. My strategy is more dealing with scalps and being right pretty much right out of the gates. So I am going to have to reset and get back to trading these accounts proper. So tomorrow's another day. Tomorrow we begin building again on the funded account and begin working on the eval. So I really need to get my head in the game at that point. You can see here that whoever's been working on the shorts on this one has really been taking good trades. So I hope that you all have been taking good trades. I hope that things worked out well for you today. The market is always going to be an unforgiving and unbiased equalizer. It does what it wants to do, and you find a way to get in the stream and move along with it, or you get eaten up by it. You know, the same rapids that can give you the exciting ride and thrill of your life will also kill you dead. So just keep that in mind as you get your trading today, and let's I'm gonna step away, get my videos taken care of, try to get some more work done today on other things, and we will be back again tomorrow. All right, boys and girls, you all take care, and we will see you tomorrow. God bless.